In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get it fast in Walmart online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to filter for the fastest delivery options, pick eligible items, and move smoothly to checkout so your essentials arrive as soon as possible. First, head to walmart.com. For the most accurate delivery times, make sure you're signed in and that your delivery address or zip code is set. Walmart tailors speed and availability to your location, so this step helps the site show you what can truly arrive quickly. Next, look for the Get It Fast option on the site and click it. This takes you to Walmart's hub for quick fulfillment items. Think of it like a filter that surfaces products eligible for accelerated delivery in your area, cutting out items that would slow you down. On the Get It Fast page, you'll see Express Delivery called out. Express is designed for speed, focusing on items that can be sourced from a nearby store or fulfillment center. Availability changes throughout the day based on inventory and driver capacity, so what you see can shift as you shop. You'll also see messaging like, get delivery in as fast as an hour. That as fast as time frame depends on your address, the time of day, and item eligibility. During busy periods or severe weather, delivery windows may be longer and fees may vary. If you're a membership holder, some fees may be reduced, but the express service itself can still carry an extra charge. Now start selecting items for your grocery run. Browse the categories on the Get It Fast page and look for indicators that items qualify for quick delivery. Open product pages if you want to confirm eligibility, choose sizes and quantities, and keep an eye on any order minimums that might apply to delivery. Click Add to place an item in your cart, then continue browsing. Build your order with everything you need and add more items as you go. Sticking to items shown in the Get It Fast section helps keep your fastest delivery window available. When you're done, click your cart to review. Here you'll see your selected items, estimated fees, and your earliest delivery window. You may notice a countdown message like order within 1 HR 3 minutes. That timer lets you know how long you have to check out to keep that earliest slot. When everything looks good, click Continue to check out. On the next page, you'll confirm the details and see the final delivery options and costs before placing your order. That's it. Use Get It Fast, choose eligible items, watch the timer, and you'll be set for the quickest possible Walmart delivery.